Hello everyone, today I will show you how to scan Wi-Fi QR code on iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, grab your iPhone and open the camera app. You can do this by either swiping down from the top right corner on newer iPhones or swiping up from the bottom on older models to access the control center and tapping on the camera icon. Alternatively, you can find the camera app on your home screen. Be sure the scan QR code is toggled on. If not, simply go to settings, scroll down and tap camera, then tap scan QR code. Next, point your camera at the Wi-Fi QR code you want to scan. Make sure the QR code is well lit and clearly visible within the frame of the camera. Your iPhone should automatically recognize the QR code. Once the QR code is detected, a notification should pop up at the top of your screen, displaying the name of the Wi-Fi network and the option to join it. Tap on the notification to connect to the Wi-Fi network. If the QR code is configured correctly, you might connect automatically without needing a password. However, if the QR code requires a password, you'll be prompted to enter it. Simply type in the password and then tap Join. Once connected, you should see a checkmark next to the Wi-Fi network name in your Wi-Fi settings, indicating that you are successfully connected. You can verify your connection by checking the Wi-Fi icon in the top right corner of your screen. That is everything you need to know about how to scan Wi-Fi QR code on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.